And good morning, Sai Ram. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing good. Now today I am you know already. Now you know, right? What is my name? I am Swapna teacher and I am here for subject EVS. We have already started in our first session of EVS lesson number 2. What is our lesson number 2? You remember? Lesson number 2 is myself. Lesson number 2 is myself. But what we have done in part 1 of lesson number 2, we have done 15 hard words, right? And you know that how you will start I am a boy and I am a girl in myself. Do you remember? Okay, very good. Now I'll go further, okay? Now in myself there is this boy, okay? And this is Yash. This is Yash. His name is Yash. He is 6 years old. Like you all, he is also 6 years old. He loves playing football. He loves playing football. See children, you remember in part 1 we have learned those hard words: loves, playing, football. Now do you ears? Yes. So now do you understood that why teacher always start with the hard words? Because if you know the hard words, you can read the lesson when I teach. You can answer my questions also when I teach. Yes? Okay. Now this boy name is Yash and he is 6 years old. He loves playing football. Now next is, who is she? Yes, she is a girl and her name is Shriya. She is Shriya. She is also 6 years old. She is also 6 years old. And what does Shriya loves to do? She loves painting. Wow. Who all loves painting? Oh, you all love to do painting. Very good. Now, Yash and Shriya are together here. What do you think? Where are they going? What do you think? Where are they going? They are going somewhere, right? Where are they going? Can you guess? I'll count till 3. Come on, can you guess? 1, 2, and 3. Where are they going? Very good. They are going to school. Now, what type of dress are Yash and Shriya wearing? What are they wearing? Very good children. They are wearing school uniform. Right? And so you can make it out that they are going to school because they are wearing a special dress which is worn at school. This is school uniform. Now, Yash and Shriya are also wearing a special card. They are wearing a special card that tells everyone about them. This is known as identity card or an ID card. This is known as identity card or an ID card. Can you see they are wearing a card here on the shirt? Yes? I'll zoom and I'll show you. Wait, I'll try. See, can you see? They are wearing an ID card. What is this ID card? You all wear, right, when you go to school? But is it important to wear ID card? Yes, children, it is very, very important to wear this ID card. See, the ID card looks like this. Most children wear an identity card to the school. But why do we wear in the school? What is written in this identity card? Do you know? No? Oh, you know. That's very good. Still, I will tell you that what it is written in this identity card. See, this is your identity card. So, there is a photo. There is a photo. You stick in one corner. Yes. Then there is a name. There is your name on identity card. Then your age. How old are you? 5 years, 6 years. That is written on your identity card. Then I am a boy or girl. If you are a girl, it will be written girl. If you are a boy, then on your identity card it will be written boy. Then there will be your birth date also on the identity card. If you are born on 1st January, it will be written 1st January 2000 and your year. Okay, your full birth date will be written on that identity card. Then I study in Shrima Bal Niketan, right? In that, your school name will be also mentioned. You are in which class? You are in grade 1 and your division will be also mentioned in that identity card. And your address will be also there on that identity card. Where do you stay? Your full address will be there. Okay? So this is how the identity card look. And these are the details which is seen on the identity card. There is a back side also of the identity card where your parents' phone number will be mentioned. Okay, children? Good. You all know what is identity card. Smart. Now, I am going to ask you, do you know what is favorite? What do you mean by favorite? Listen, we all like to do things that we love. We all like to do things that we love. Yes or no? Yes. Something that we like most of all is our favorite thing. What is favorite? There are so many things I like to do. But there is one thing that I like most of all. That is my favorite thing. Now, you know what is my favorite thing? My favorite thing is to read, to write, to cook, and to listen to a music. But I can hear somebody telling that my favorite thing is to watch TV. Yes, you can watch TV, but if you watch continuously, what will happen? What will happen? You will spoil your eyes, right? So you should not watch TV continuously. Sometimes it's okay. Yes? So later on I'm going to ask you what is your favorite thing? What you like to do? Okay, let's see what is there in our next slide. See, I told you I'm going to ask you, what is your favorite thing? Come on children, tell me, what is your favorite thing? Come on, start your answers. I want to hear. I like watching TV. Somebody is telling I like dancing. Oh, very good. Somebody is telling I like coloring. Good, very good. Now, tell me what is your favorite fruit? Which fruit you like? Now, my favorite fruit is orange. What is your favorite food? Your favorite fruit is apple. Very good. Grapes. Mango. You all like mango. Very good. Even I like mango. Now, next. Let's see what is next. Okay. I love bananas. Banana is my favorite food. Now, you know, there is somebody who loves banana, who always keep eating banana. You know who is he? He's an animal. Which animal is it? Monkey. You know that monkeys love eating bananas. Like I love eating oranges, then I like eating leafy vegetables, then my favorite color is blue. Same way, monkeys love eating bananas. Now, favorite thing could be, see, everybody has different favorite thing. Now, your favorite thing could be eating food. Somebody like eating food every new day, new dishes or new things they like to eat. Somebody enjoy eating whatever mummy makes, they enjoy and they eat. Okay. Now, somebody's favorite thing is coloring. Somebody loves coloring all the time. Whenever they are free, they start doing coloring. Somebody may also like playing with different things. Now, somebody like playing with car, playing with toys, playing with ball. Yes. So, all of your all favorite thing will be not be same. It will be different, right? Do you all look same? No, we all look different, right? All children look different. Same way, everybody's favorite thing is also different. Now, somebody can also like singing. Somebody loves singing. Somebody also like reading books, reading story books. That is very good. And there are many activities like this. This all are activity. Okay, and you have to tell me which is your favorite activity out of this. If it is not in this list, you can tell me later what is your favorite activity. Now, there are some more activities which few children like doing is playing football. Somebody like playing football. During the free time, they go out and they play football. That is the thing they love doing the most. Our next activity is skipping. Some of them like doing skipping all the time. Dancing. Somebody loves dancing. Whenever they are free, they play the music and they start dancing. Sand play and much more. Somebody also like to play with sand. They go to the beach, they play with the sand, they make castle, right? They take a bucket, they take the sand in that bucket. Yes, few children like to play with sand. So everybody has different activity which is their favorite. Like I told you, I like reading, writing, cooking, listening music. These are my favorite activities. Now what is your favorite activity? You are going to tell me later. Okay? Now, did you know that some people also like doing collecting stamps? You know, a favorite activity of some people is collecting stamps. Now, these are the stamps of different country. Somebody like to collect all the stamps of the country and they keep it in a folder or they stick it in a diary. Somebody enjoy doing these things. Now, I am going to ask you and teach you about values and life skills. Now, what is this? Values and life skills. We should learn good manners. That is a good value, right? They are a part of our identity. If you have a good manners in you, people will recognize you very nicely because that is your identity. For example, I'll give you example. Wait, I'll show you. Now you have to mention me two good manners. You have to tell me what are the two good manners. Now, for example, greet everyone you meet. In the school or at home, first I'll talk at home. Any any guest or anyone comes to your home, what will you tell first? You will greet. If it is morning, you will say good morning, you will say hello, you will say how are you, come in, will you like to have water? Yes, these are good manners. Whenever somebody comes at our home, and if we talk like this, they say, oh wow, what a good child he is or she is, such a good manners he is having, right? So you should always greet everyone whenever you meet. Now in the school, when you see teacher, what will you say? Good morning teacher. Or if it is afternoon, you will say good afternoon teacher. Right? This is a very good manners. You should always greet whomever you meet. Now one more good manners for me is sharing. Sharing is also a very good manners. Now for example, your friend in the class have dropped his tiffin box. Now he or she don't have anything to eat. What will I do? I will share from my tiffin so that he will not be empty stomach. He or she will be also hungry, right? So what we will do as a friend? We will share our tiffin, not full tiffin, but little we will share with our friend, right? Now one more example. If your friend is not having pencil to write and you have 3 pencils in your compass box, will you give one to your friend? Yes or no? Yes, you should give. This is a very good manners. You should share your things with others. Okay? Now, here comes what you like. Activity. Now, our today's activity, today's homework, what I am going to give you is draw your favorite toy. Yay! I know what are you going to draw. So my today's homework is draw your favorite toy. You are going to draw a favorite toy, your favorite toy, and send to your teacher. Okay? Now I am going to end my session. Lesson number 2, myself is done. Did you enjoy this lesson? Yes? Even I liked it. It is so easy, right? But that 15 hard words you are going to learn well. And you are going to draw my favorite toy. Okay, children? Thank you. See you in the next session. Sai Ram, take care.